So hello guys, this is Divya Shah and welcome to yet another video of No More. So guys, today I am showing you how to make the LinkedIn account and how to manage your account for recruiter so they can recruit for job and they approve your job, or simply they can see your profile transparently. So let's get started. So guys, for LinkedIn, you have to come to linkedin.com and then simply click on the sign up or join. So here I make fill up my mail ID and create a password, then agree and join. So first name, I write my name Divya Shah and simply click enter. So they simply quick the security check and verify that we are human being. Touch the correct way up. So correct way up is this one, done. Correct way up again, this. Again correct way up. So again. And the last one is this. So that's simply check that we are human, not a robot. So okay, India, city, Ahmedabad. Select a city. Okay. So it's select from the drop down menu, not right. So I am a student. So guys, simply my college is the GTU, as you guys know. So I write the Gujarat Technological University, and there are 32,000 alumni. You can reach out to LinkedIn. So degree is bachelor degree, simply specialization in the computer engineering. Select the year, starting year. So my starting year is 2019 and ending expected 2023. Yes, I am over 16 and then continue. So okay, they send me a OTP on my mail ID. So I have to simply write that OTP here. So your want to show the others? Yes, I want to show my profile to other. Search the job. So now I'll skip this step as of now. So this is my new profile on the LinkedIn. So simply save and save. So simply just go through it and it's home over. So for this you have to go in your profile. So here you can see they show my university, student of this contact information, and here is the more. So you have to first profile strength, you have to complete your this profile strength to here. So all star. So next is add current position. So my current position is I am an employee actually, but I can't write here because I have already my profile. So I'll write data analysis, full time, continue, example ABC, continue, March 2005, industry, business, and add to profile. So just simply added here my one position. So as you guys students, so you can't do that, so simply write your current position in your college. So you are in the second semester, first semester, or second year, you can write that. Then simply add a photo. I can't add my photo because they analyze my photo through that, and they shows this is my second account, so simply ban my both account, so I can't do that. Add 5 skills. So here, as you guys know, the quick labs. So guys, we are on the quick labs, so you simply go in the my learning section, then simply view public profile. So if you want to share your public profile, just go simply to LinkedIn and then add a section here. So add profile section, education or license and certification. So education is your degree which you will get from the university, but license and certification is your. So simply, this is my public profile. I simply cut this and paste in the credential URL, and here I write the quick labs badges, and here quick labs. So not expire, simply write that December year 2020 because my current batch is the holiday speed run, so December 25. So simply just save. So this type you have to learn the 5 skills from the LinkedIn and from the quick lab, or you can learn simply add simply certification, the 5 types of that for complete this stage, and add your skills. So my data analysis, Python, SQL, data science, analytics, data analytics, data mining, visualization, data quality, add to the profile. Simply select all and add to the profile, and then done. So simply you just intermediate, from beginner to intermediate, and then add summary about your exercise and expertise and interest. And the next one is, so I can't add, so simply add a summary. Hello, actually I will delete this account after reviewing this, and add the profile photo. So I will add some profile. Let's use the camera, take photo. After adding, so just simply add your profile photo, and you have complete all the section. So in the here you can see your license and certification, your skills, your interest. So simply add some business profiles like Microsoft, Google, and add in your connection, and you have to complete 30 connection to open this job section. So here they can see, if they can simply recommend your portfolio to the recruiter, and also you can share your profile to recruiter whenever you will apply for your jobs. So they simply click, simply view your whole portfolio in one click, just simply through your profile, what will you done, and etc. So, and here from here you can, so here you can download a profile, your portfolio, your resume, whatever you want to say. So here is your portfolio, and whenever you add something, then your portfolio will be changed, the skills change, your certification here will change. So simply build your profile on LinkedIn to share with the recruiter, and the recruiter can recruit through their LinkedIn profile too. So that's all for today, guys. And wait, I will show you my profile. So this is my Instagram ID if you want that, and this is my profile. So I will show you my portfolio. Wait, more, save to PDF. So guys, this is my portfolio. As you can see, my experience the Krypton Incorporation with the social media handler, and I will handle the social media of the Krypton, and then IEEE, member of the IEEE community and the ASME community, and the education is the GTU, as you can see, and my certification, top 5 certification shows here, my skills shows here, and the summary which I write the hello, it shows here. So that's
Guys,
all
if you
for
like my
today,
video,
guys.
don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you haven't already, comment me how was my video and what should I have to improve. So guys, this is Divya Shah signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.